Hey guys, welcome to this video. Today I'll be showing you how you can tag your friends on Facebook. So let's say you want to post something, go to your home page and tap on what's on your mind. Just type anything you like. For example, Happy New Year. And then you can even post a picture by tapping on this photo icon right here. Once you're done, tap on this tag icon, the blue one here. And as you can see, here is a list of the people that I can tag to my post. These are my friends. So you should be able to see the list of your friends as well. Now, if you want to tag specific people, you can either search their name and tap, or you can just tap on whoever Facebook suggests here by scrolling down. Tag as many people as you'd like, and once you're done, then just tap on done. So as you can see, it says I am with all of the people that I tagged, and then once I'm just settled with that, I can tap post here on the upper right, and my post will be uploaded onto Facebook's feed. Thank you guys for watching. I hope this helped, and we will see you in the next video.